Dominating the famous Dam Square in the heart of Amsterdam, Royal Palace Amsterdam stands as one of the most important historic buildings in the Netherlands. Surrounded by canals, merchant houses and bustling streets, the palace reflects the wealth and confidence of the Dutch Golden Age. Unlike most European royal residences, the building was not originally constructed for kings or queens. It was built in the 17th century as Amsterdam City Hall, designed to symbolise the power and prosperity of one of the world's richest trading cities during the height of the Dutch Republic. Completed in 1655 and designed by architect Jacob van Campen, the structure became a masterpiece of Dutch classicism. Its grand halls, marble interiors, and impressive civic chambers earned it the nickname the Eighth Wonder of the World among contemporary visitors. The building's role changed dramatically during the Napoleonic era, when Louis Bonaparte, brother of Napoleon Bonaparte, converted the City Hall into a royal residence in 1808. Many of the building's interiors were redesigned to suit its new role as a palace for the monarchy. Following the establishment of the modern Dutch kingdom, the palace became one of the official residences of the House of Orange-Nassau. Although the Dutch royal family primarily lives elsewhere, the building continues to host state banquets, royal receptions, and important national ceremonies. Today, the Royal Palace Amsterdam remains both a working royal palace and one of the city's most visited landmarks. Standing proudly on Dam Square, it continues to bridge Amsterdam's Republican trading past with the traditions of the modern Dutch monarchy.